Friends, I am sharing here one debug session done with i.Mx board, that is that NXP ARM based processor. And in this you can see this particular project already created, and from window uh, view or perspective we can see particular uh, C++ perspective. In that you will see different projects are there, and right now my focus, this is simple project, and for this particular project we have this complete project. So I would like to show you that how to debug this, and at the same time just note that this is the Eclipse based IDE which we suggested uh, to use to learn the C language, and based on that your microprocessor or microcontroller selected, you can use that particular Eclipse based IDE. So here let me try to debug it. If I go to this debug configuration, in the debug configuration you will see that this particular target is already set, and if I click on this debug icon, then my target is right now connected and it is downloading it, and there is no debugger external debugger tool is connected to this particular port. Only that USB cable is connected, and this is just showing some messages. So within that you can see right now it has stopped in the main, and here you have different control. For example, you can resume. It has halted based on our settings, and that you can do uh, step into that particular code actually. And this kind of launch is configured to open deployer when it's suspend. Okay, let it take it yes, and then it gives the debug perspective. And in this particular window you can see left side is this source code, and in the right side is this assembly. And when we do stepping in the code, it is jumping from one function to another function in the C, you can see. And it is not halting at in the C, you can see the steps right now. So let me try to see if I can check that assembly level step. So if we take the assembly level step, then now you can see that step assembly level is stepping happening here. And what other things we can try to learn here. Let's go to Windows view, and this other view, because my intention here to see the register. I'm not sure if that is already there. Even if it is not there, then I will open it. Okay, here it is showing different kind of registers. Now you can see general register. Let's see what particular register is going to change now. Let's say R2, or if I again single step, then you will see the change in that R2 register. And so this the purpose of this video is just to show you that this free tool, which is this uh, MCUExpress tool and Eclipse IDE based tool, can be used for debugging C as well as for debugging assembly level, learning assembly, and all the learning C, and also developing code, compiling code for this particular target. So this is just one idea of Windows based debugging to this particular ARM based platform board from NXP, and